everyone, so this is Hunya Travels. Today I'm making mushroom vegan fried chicken. So here's what you need. You need a wet batter, which is just flour and seasoning, and you need a dry batter, which is flour, cornstarch, paprika, and salt, pepper. So what you do is you take these mushrooms, the ones that are very string-like, and you put it in the wet batter. And you just mix it, and then you dip that into the dry batter. So that is this. And now you just dip it in again, the wet batter, and dip it into the dry batter. And just put it away like this. Now repeat for the second mushroom. Put it in the wet batter. And then mix it into the dry batter. And repeat. Just mix it again. And there you go. Now take the battered mushrooms and those ones and put it in and let that cook. Now change the side again of the vegan chicken, the mushroom, and let that cook thoroughly. And now changing this side again one last time, and then it's almost done. Now just to check. So it's one side seems to be getting a little bit crispy. Now the other side. This is vegan chicken made from mushrooms. So be sure to try it. The recipe is in the description, and be sure to like and subscribe to Hunya Travels. Thank you. Now this is vegan chicken made from mushrooms.